this video I'm going to show you how to update TikTok easily. Now if you want to update to the latest version of TikTok, you want to make sure that you keep watching the video because I'm going to show you how to do that. And do not forget to subscribe and also to like the video. Now the first step you need to do is open Play Store. Then you can search for TikTok on the search bar. Then you will be able to see update button. Just click on update. Now as you can see, the update is still going on. It is almost done. Now once your update is done, you can just open TikTok and use it. And if there were any challenges while using TikTok, they will be updated right now and you will be able to use TikTok freely. That's how you can easily update your TikTok app. And if this video has helped you out, please consider leaving a like. Let me know in the comment section if it worked out, and if it didn't work, also let me know so that we can fix it with you. And please consider to subscribe to my channel to help me grow, and I'll hope to see you in the next one. Thank you guys.